Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a special guest, my son Maverick.
Hi.
How's it going, buddy?
Good.
And right here we have his 2016 Honda CRF110.
Yep.
He upgraded to this bike last year from an SSR 50. What do you think about this bike?
It's good. It's really high and it feels really comfortable.
Yes, but you have grown a lot since last year.
Yeah.
I am a little worried because you've grown so much that this might be getting too small for you, but we're not ready to upgrade him yet. So in the future, we'll probably be going with some BBR springs to make it a little taller.
Yep.
But what are we doing today?
We're gonna be changing the hit plates and the grips and whatever the state is or whatever.
Yes, so he's getting new grips put on, putting a skid plate because this thing does ride pretty low, and we do get some rocks where we ride at, and so it's always good to have protection for your engine. And also with protection, a shifter shaft saver, because these are prone to bending, the shifters catching the ground when they fall and bending the shaft. So that's what we're doing today.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm pretty excited, honestly.
Yeah. Alright guys, so as usual we went with Amazon Special because dirt bikes aren't cheap, and so the parts aren't either, and so we're trying to do this on a budget. But this shifter shaft saver brace looks pretty nice with brass bushing, so let's get it installed.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Grab this. There you go. Just get that straight. So this did take some modification. Amazon said it fit this bike. Obviously it didn't. So if you're not into modification, don't buy the Amazon one. Or maybe you had better luck. But we won't really see this, so works for me. Alright, so when you put this on, you want to make it where it was last time, because that's how you shift it with your boot. So you're going to want it more up like that, okay? Can you do it?
Yeah.
And then put that bolt in.
Okay, are you gonna make a little film?
It's on.
Okay.
Just... You remember what I said? Which way is the shifter pointing? That's going to hit the ground. You're going to be like... Too tight where it breaks it, because this is aluminum. I think that's pretty good. Alright buddy, here's the skid plate. Hopefully it goes on easier than that little bracket brace, but we'll find out.
Yeah.
But looks like decent quality. So did the brace, so. Okay, so this is gonna sit in there. And these go like this, and then where you took those two bolts out, these will screw in, okay? Lay down.
Plug in.
Yep. We are going to try to line these up, not get frustrated.
Yeah, try not. But you could if you need to.
Me? You? Talking about you. I usually do all this by myself.
Is it easier with me?
Oh, well, right now you're holding it, so yeah. This one. So this has to go like this, and then the nut has to go in the bolt. Are you able to get your hand through?
Where?
In here.
Okay. Is anything gonna hurt?
I don't know. Sometimes. Can you see that bolt? Oh, dude, you did it. Good job. Okay, here's the next nut.
This one shouldn't be so hard because it's closer.
Yep. Doing a good job, dude. Proud of you. How does it make you feel that you're actually working on your own dirt bike?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty makes you feel like you accomplished something and make you proud of your own dirt bike. Are you concentrating?
At least. It's hard.
Yep, it's not easy. If it was easy, everyone would do it. Alright, dude. How's it been going? We're almost done. Grips left.
Yep. Well, honestly, it feels really good now. It feels like I'm able to rule the world or something.
Very cool. Alright, let's get the grips on.
So, the type of grips that we are going to put on is the Pro Taper grips. They feel really nice and I'm excited. So let's get on.
Alright, take off the grips. There's a couple different ways. This one's not glued on, so we can just twist and pull.
Can I try?
Go for it.
Oh, and by the way, we have our sister Mackenzie. Hi!
You're spinning it. There you go.
Can I put
Feel it?
on? Can I put it on? That's one of these, but now we have to put on one of these. I'm gonna put on. Okay,
Yeah, there's one for the throttle and one, that one's for the throttle. See how easy it went on? So now do this one. I'll take that.
I don't do the throttle.
You have to ask brother.
I'm gonna do the throttle.
Oh, you're doing it, girl. You're playing with us, Peter.
Today, Junior.
Twist it. Can I help you?
Nope.
What? No.
Hey, this is my dirt bike.
Then you do it.
Brrr.
There you go, dude.
I guess we're done.
All right, my dude. What do you have to say about this little project?
Well, it's pretty good. I mean, I love the new look on this.
Grips?
Yes, and I love how it looks like this on the bottom.
The
And
skid plate?
yes,
Yeah.
I'm getting stuff, but
You're okay.
so far so good. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll have to go out soon and test it out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna make a video of that too.
Yeah.
So
Well, stay tuned for that.
yeah, stay tuned and keep on watching and
Yeah, I'm
like
proud.
and subscribe.
I'm proud of you. You did it.
Yeah.
You did your own bike.
Yeah.